Have you seen how RVNL shares have soared to new all-time highs? Now, RVNL is the largest railway stock in India by market cap, and it has also surpassed the combined value of 5 of its railway peers. Now, in just last 5 days, RVNL stock has surged by an impressive 38%, and over the past year, it's up about 377%. Now, since its IPO in 2019, the stock is almost up 3 times. But what's behind this remarkable surge in the PSU railway stock? Let's discuss. Now, the Indian railway network is the backbone of our nation, connecting every corner and driving our economic engine forward. Now, the government is pushing this ahead with an ambitious plan for railway and infrastructure development. We're talking about new lines, new modernized trains, doubling existing tracks, and electrification. The government has also allocated nearly 2.55 lakh crore rupees for capital expenditure in the railway sector for this financial year, with plans for substantial investments over the next decades. And RVNL is at the forefront of these railway projects. But what exactly does RVNL do? Vikas Nigam Limited is a public sector enterprise under India's Ministry of Railways. It's tasked with implementing vital rail infrastructure projects, from building new lines, converting gauges, to doubling existing tracks and electrifying railways. Now, RVNL also focuses on modernizing stations, improving passenger amenities, and overall station infrastructure. Now, according to their fiscal year 23 annual report, RVNL has commissioned over 15,534 kilometers of railway infrastructure, contributing significantly to the nation's rail network. And this underscores RVNL's pivotal role in India's railway sector. And it's just not India where RVNL is making its mark. Beyond borders, RVNL is expanding into new geographies. For instance, its first overseas project in the Maldives has already delivered an impressive 11% margin for them. And day after day, RVNL continues to secure new orders consistently. Recently, on July 9th, RVNL won a contract from Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation for the Nagpur Metro project. On the same day, RVNL also emerged as the lowest bidder for a project with Southeastern Railway to set up a substation. Additionally, RVNL has also signed a Memorandum of Understanding on July 9th with Tatweer, Middle East and Africa. This agreement actually aims to leverage RVNL's expertise in the railway sector to jointly develop capabilities and execute railway projects in the Middle East, North Africa and Europe regions. Now, while these are just a few recent orders of RVNL that we mentioned above, according to the post-earnings conference, the management highlighted that they have a strong order book which currently stands at around 85,000 crore. Now, this is in comparison to 65,000 crore in the last fiscal year. Now, let's talk about financials. After 2 weak quarters, in the latest quarter, RVNL reported a strong 17% year-over-year revenue growth, reaching 6,700 crore rupees. Margins also improved slightly to 6.8% from 6.6% last year, contributing to a 33% year-over-year increase in profit after tax. Now, RVNL does stand out as a promising stock in the railway sector, supported by a strong order book and improving financials. The Indian railway industry is experiencing significant expansion in capex, which has boosted positive investor sentiment towards companies like RVNL. And it's just not this stock. Other railway and defense stocks have also attracted a lot of investor attention thanks to the government's supportive policies and announcements. Looking ahead, RVNL is well positioned with a strong order pipeline, international collaborations, and solid project execution capabilities. However, it is essential to consider RVNL's current valuation. In fiscal year 24, the company reported a modest 7% revenue growth. Looking forward, the management forecast of 5% revenue increase for fiscal year 25, accompanied by a projected 15% rise in earnings. Now, when we talk about valuation, RVNL's current price to earnings ratio exceeds 70, surpassing its peers and the median average. Now, while the company appears promising, one should exercise caution and monitor the progress of projects and financial results closely. Having said that, this is me, Merlin, signing off. Take care and stay invested.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.